Has it even got paint in it?
No.
Good.
I know the story of your life through winter storms and summer skies. There was a
Welcome back to...
Flow up.
Yeah. Welcome back, you lot, to this channel, and we got a special video for you today. So we've had Evelyn on this channel doing some painting. That was a good few videos back. Today I've got my boy Joseph.
Yeah.
And he is 10.
I love him. Oh, that was awkward. Okay.
When did you turn 11? Was
It was a year, wasn't it? Yeah, it was a year ago.
A year ago?
Don't you remember?
Yeah, I remember that.
Yeah, Lanzarote. Yeah, Lanzarote. We always remember my birthday.
Who do you watch on YouTube who's a good painter?
Drawing with Jazza.
Jazza, yeah,
He's really good at drawing, but he isn't the best at painting. I'm sorry, but...
So yeah, Drawing with Jazza. Joseph follows him, he watches his videos, absolutely loves his videos. What are we going to be painting on? He's got himself a little canvas board. What way round are you going to paint it? Landscape or portrait?
I'm not too sure because the last painting I did was this way, so we'll go like this way.
You're going to go that way, okay.
Ooh,
We've got all these colours, what do you want to start with?
vibrant blue, dark blue,
Cool.
purple.
Okay,
All yours set?
they're all set. So wax some paint down. Don't get any on your school shirt. Too late? Too late.
No.
Well, then, what are we going to use? Knife?
Yes.
Okay. Go straight onto the canvas board then.
Oh yeah.
Get creative. Fill your boots. Knife it out.
It's like bone.
So when you hold a knife, try and hold it like that and use that finger. Over the
this
top.
finger.
That's it. Hold it in your palm, like
My palm.
you're going to spread
like
some
that.
butter, and then gently. So bring the knife down at more of an angle. Other way. That's it. And then just gently over it. That's a good effect though. And you can just pick a bit of paint up and look, you can just mark it. What colour should we go with next? Let me just get rid of that. Got a bit of blobby bit there.
I think I'll go with dark blue.
Dark blue.
They look like black slugs.
Go for it. Oh, that's nice. I like that. That looks good over that colour, doesn't it? You just got to...
It was like the biggest explosion and it came to my face. Look, I like the dots like over there, so it's like kind of comic-y. Squeeze. Squeeze. There.
I love that colour.
Squeeze. Squeeze. Like.
That's it. Oh,
Wow.
that blue and that purple. That's good colours.
Wow.
Yes.
That.
So we're going to go in the middle.
Like.
Well, I just want you to work that outwards in each direction.
That sounds
Really gentle as well. Okay, so what's happened there is you've mixed that in a bit too much.
Yes.
We was trying to go for an explosion, wasn't there?
Yep.
So you've mixed it in where it's now gone to like a grey
Poo.
mess, yeah.
Yeah.
So
That's what we're going for.
this is what I was gonna try and get you to do.
How about you try and do it and I'll do the sauce I'm flicking.
Okay, so like really light, that I'm hardly touching the canvas, and we're just gonna work that out really light.
Oh, that's purple.
That's alright.
Oh, that actually looks so good.
Right, just really lightly go up. That's it, and then stop, and then bring some down. No, that way round.
This way.
That's it. Just very lightly. That's it.
Yeah.
That's it. And then out to this side and out to
This
this
way?
side. Yeah.
This way.
That way. That's it. Lightly.
This way?
Yep.
Yeah, and now.
Yep. It's got some texture to it.
Yeah, I think it needs more dots because I like dots.
So with this, I'm looking for just a little.
I know, but I do it like so hard.
Don't squeeze it. That's the trick. Don't squeeze it. Just hold it upside down and flick it. Go. There you go. Less of an angle.
Soy
Like
sauce. It's called soy sauce.
that. Are good?
Soy sauce. Coming out in 2021.
What are we going for now? Black flickaroos?
Black flickaroos. Black flickaroos. But this is the last one I will do. Gold. Bang ya.
Four high like that.
Bang ya. Bang ya.
Like that.
Bang ya. Bang ya. Bang ya. Oh, I thought I got.
Go for it. Flickaroo.
Oh, it looks like mustard.
That way.
It looks like mustard. Golden
Oh,
mustard.
Want it on the shirt?
Like, look, I just got the littlest bit,
Yeah.
but it's very small, so it will come off.
Well,
Wait, does acrylic never come off?
yeah, of course it does. There it is, Flowworks fans. This was mainly painted by this little man here. Just goes to show you, you can, whatever age you are,
One.
grab some paint. Yeah, a 1-year-old could do it. Just grab some paint and have a bit of fun.
Yeah, but wouldn't a
what-
1-year-old eat the paint?
Yeah, you got to supervise a 1-year-old. What do you like about that painting?
The colours. I like
Lots
the
of
colours.
colours.
I like the spots. It looks like a comic book.
High five. Until next time, we'll catch you in the next video. Give this one a big like if you can. He'd appreciate it. And
Wow.
subscribe if you want to see some more art as we progress.
With me in it, in
And
front of my
I
dumpster
love
stuff.
sitting with people watching them paint as well. So give this one a treat.
Try it with Monty.
Try it with Monty. Yeah, we've got a dog. Yeah, I might.
On his nibbles. With my ball, I put paint on the end of my ball.
brilliant
And she
idea.
just goes around and around. But smaller
Sounds
and more dumber.
Catch you in the next one. See ya.
Subscribe to our channel.
I'd sell my soul to take you home. Run through the fire.